Hello and welcome to the Pioneer Room Beginning Genealogy series. I'm Ashley Hayes, a library assistant at the Escondido Public Library. Today we'll explore how to search census records using Ancestry.com. In this video tutorial, we'll cover how to access the Pioneer Room's genealogy resources, opening the Ancestry.com website, and how to search census records using Ancestry.com. Let's get started. Ancestry.com is a popular online genealogy and family history platform that allows individuals to research and explore their family trees and discover information about their ancestors. The Escondido Public Library offers free access to the Ancestry.com Library Edition on any library computer or when connected to the library Wi-Fi. You can find Ancestry.com on the library website at library.escondido.org. Click on the Escondido History tab or select Pioneer Room from the drop-down menu. Then click on the Genealogy Resources button at the top of the page or scroll to the left menu and click Genealogy Resources. The Genealogy Resources section has a great overview of information on the resources available to you through the Escondido Public Library. You can download genealogy forms and find tips for finding records. To access Ancestry.com, click the logo or text to go to their website. On the Ancestry.com homepage, scroll down to the Search Census section, then click Search Now. You may add details of your ancestor into the search boxes to search within all U.S. federal censuses. If you're interested in searching for a family member within a specific census, scroll down to the Included Data Collections section at the bottom of the page. You may click the link to search within a specific census year. Let's look at the 1860 U.S. Federal Census for this demonstration. On the search screen, I'll enter John K. Cathcart and the location I know he was living in 1860. Then I'll click the Search button at the top of the form. To determine if a person in the result is your ancestor, carefully review the details provided and compare this information with what you already know about your ancestor to establish a connection. On the Document Details page, you'll find indexed results generated from the original document. You can access the original document by clicking the image. Ancestry.com highlights your ancestor on the original document, and you can hover over the information to see Ancestry's indexed information. Congratulations! You've now mastered the census search experience using Ancestry.com. Remember to carefully review the search results, utilize the Document Details page, and explore the original documents for a deeper understanding of your ancestors' history. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Happy researching!